This experience has changed my life, and I will never get tired of saying it. I have learned to move around a city on my own, or rather, without adults. I have had to plan my time, both to visit places and to eat. I have learned a lot about what I'm studying, administration. At the beginning, it can be scary and nerve-wracking, having to travel to another country with people you don't know. But you end up having a great time. I have visited places which I may never see again. And at the same time, I have met wonderful people. I have improved my English and my ability to socialize, which is something I didn't like very much. And above all, I've loved and enjoyed every day I've spent there. But what I have learned and felt I can show with simple photos. It goes far beyond that. You have to live it and feel it to understand it.